What's up, guys? This is Jake with Casual Ecommerce, and in this video we're going to be going over one tip that you can use that's going to help massively increase the amount of sales that you generate throughout the Q4 season. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive right into the video. Okay, so the one thing I'm actually talking about is changing your marketing strategy just a little bit to actually market certain products as gifts. So obviously in Q4 there's a lot of different holidays. We have Halloween, which is like in a couple days. We have Thanksgiving, and we have Christmas. So there's a lot of different holidays, and during the holiday season people are typically going to be buying gifts for other people. So that's going to be about 50% of the actual purchases during the holiday season is going to be people not only buying stuff for themselves, but buying stuff for somebody else, whether it's a friend, a family member, or etc. So one thing that you need to be doing is making sure you're gearing some of your marketing towards advertising certain products as actually gifts instead of just maybe for the person you're targeting directly. This is definitely something that's commonly exploited with print on demand. So let's say the shirt said something like proud mother of a nurse or something like that. So you would be targeting young people that are obviously nurses, and then they would be getting that shirt for their mom. Or it could just say proud parent, and then they could get it for either parent, and then you would go ahead and market that as a Christmas gift or a Thanksgiving gift or something like that. You could say, get this for your mom or your dad for Christmas, and go ahead so that they can show their support for you and your career or whatever. So there's a lot of different ways that you can go ahead and actually exploit this by targeting, by marketing your products as gifts instead of just directly for the person buying it, because a lot of the purchases, like I said, during Q4 are going to be purchased as gifts for other people. So if you go ahead and market it in that manner, you can appeal to an entire different sector of the market by doing that. So there's really not much to this, so there's really not too much that I can go ahead and expand on. Really, you just have to get really creative with this, and clearly there's something crazy going out there on the street. I don't know if you can hear that, but really you just have to get creative with this. When you're thinking about it, you got to think like, all right, is this product something that somebody would buy as a gift for somebody else? And then if it is, you can go ahead and test some advertising that's that angle. You can use that angle instead of marketing directly to the buyer buying it for themselves. You can change your angle and try and sell it as a gift instead. It's just another thing that you can do, another selling tactic you can go ahead and try this Q4. So like I said, there's not too much that I can go ahead and expand on with this, because it's pretty simple. It's just kind of a flip in your marketing strategy, and it's something you can try and implement. So go ahead and try and implement this over this Q4. Like this video if you'd like tips like this, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in another video.